A blessed day, everyone. Welcome once again to our new lesson. Our topic for today is about the introduction to cloud computing. First, let us know what is cloud. Cloud is the internet, and cloud is a network that delivers requested virtual resources as a service. Now, let us know what are the cloud services. Cloud serves mobile services. Cloud serves network services. Cloud serves database services. Cloud serves server services. Cloud serves apps services. And cloud serves web services. Next, let us know what are the common types of cloud services. First is the SaaS, or the software as a service. SaaS handles package software, OS and application stack, servers, storage, network. And SaaS is intended for the end users. Next is PaaS, or the platform as a service. PaaS handles OS and application stack and server storage network. PaaS is intended for application developers. Last is the IaaS, or the infrastructure as a service. IaaS handles servers storage network, and IaaS is intended for infrastructure and network architects. Next, let us know what is cloud computing. Cloud computing is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. The term cloud computing is generally used to describe data centers available to many users over the internet. Here is the top cloud service providers. We have here the AWS, or the Amazon Web Services, the Google Cloud, the Microsoft Azure Cloud, the IBM Cloud, and the Alibaba Cloud. And here are the top cloud service providers. First, we look at the Google Cloud. This is the Google office building, and this is the Google Data Computing Center. Next is the Amazon Web Services, or the AWS. This is the Amazon office building, and this is the Amazon Data Computing Center. Next is the Microsoft Azure Cloud. This is the Microsoft Office building, and this is the Microsoft Data Computing Center. Next is the IBM Cloud. This is the IBM Office building, and this is the IBM Data Computing Center. And last is the Alibaba Cloud. This is the Alibaba office building, and this is the Alibaba Data Computing Center. So now, let us understand what is the importance of cloud computing. Cloud computing facilitates the access of applications and data from any location worldwide and from any device with any internet connection. Cloud computing offers businesses with scalable computing resources, hence saving them on the cost of acquiring and maintaining them. Okay, that concludes our lesson for today, and see you for our next lesson. Thank you so much.